Hello everybody. This is our video on conditional probability. All right, we're going to be doing a tree diagram here, and that's like the key to me is that you know to do the tree diagram, and then you're going to be fine. All right, what we're looking for is I have a situation where 83% of people have jobs, and then I have another thing that depends on whether they have a job or not. Okay, and the one we did in class the other day where people were sick or not sick, and then they either tested positive or negative, and the probability of testing positive or negative depended on whether they were actually sick or not. Okay, in this case, the probability of people being happy depends on whether they have a job or not. They're different for both different groups there. Okay, so 83% of adults have jobs. On a recent survey, 75% of adults with jobs said they were happy, while only 67% of people without a job said they were happy. So again, the probability of being happy depends on whether they have a job or not. Okay, so I'm looking for that type of situation. I'm going to make a tree diagram. Okay, if a person is randomly chosen, what's the probability that he or she is, and I have three questions here, happy, has a job and is happy, does not have a job, if it is known that he or she is happy. That's really does not have a job given they're happy. Okay? I've set this up for you already over here to save time. Okay, this was given to me. The probability of having a job was 83%. The probability of someone being happy given they had a job was 75%, and the probability of being happy given they had no job was only 67%. Okay? So we start our tree with our first situation. They either have a job or don't have a job. I have 83% that do, therefore the remaining portion added to 100% are the people that don't have jobs. All right, next we have happy or not. Well, the probability that they're happy given they have a job is 75%. So these people, I know they have a job, so the probability of being happy is 75%. Therefore the remaining people that have a job, the rest of them are 25% are not happy. Okay, and likewise down on the bottom here, if they do not have a job, we were given that the probability of being happy if you didn't have a job was 67%. So that's what this is, and that means the remaining 33% would have reported not being happy. Okay, and what we do, these people out here, these are our and situation. If I ask you the probability of having a job and being happy, that's it right there. Okay? And so what we're going to do is we multiply these out to get these values. All right? As you know, the job and happy, we're going to multiply those two things together. Okay, so 0.83 times 0.75 is this, and I've done that for each of these different things. We multiply out to get those values there. Okay, and then we go answer the questions. And it's fairly simple once I get that. The probability of being happy. Well, happy, these people are happy, and these people are happy, so they could be in this group or that group, okay? And so I'm going to add those two together here, as I've done. Okay? The next one, they're probably having a job and being happy. Well, those are easy. Those are what these are right here. A job and happy is 0.6225. That's the answer. I have no work that I need to do on that one. Okay? And then my final question here, make sure we can see that over there, is the probability that they have no job given they're happy. Okay, and we need to know that this formula right off the bat means no job and happy, those two, divided by happy out of the happy group. Okay, so the probability of no job and happy is 0.1139. divided by the probability of being happy. Okay, and happy are those people plus those people, and I would add those together as we did those right up there. And that was 0.7364. That's what ends up being on the bottom there. Divide those, my final answer is 0.1547. All right, so these are kind of along the way questions. On the AP exam, they would normally ask a question like this one here. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope I've answered any questions that you might have had regarding those. Thank you.